Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, April 9, 2024 on our channel. DOE announces Better Buildings initiative to accelerate heat pump manufacturing and adoption. Refra introduced Galaxy R290 chillers. Sanhua at China Refrigeration 2024. Tower cold chain launches live tracking and monitoring. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. DOE announces Better Buildings initiative to accelerate heat pump manufacturing and adoption. At the annual Better Buildings, Better Plants Summit, the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, announced new Better Building initiatives to help organizations in all sectors of the U.S. economy save energy while reducing costs and emissions. Among the new initiatives is the Better Buildings Commercial Building Heat Pump Accelerator, through which manufacturers will produce higher efficiency and life-cycle cost-effective heat pump rooftop units, and commercial organizations will evaluate and adopt next-generation heat pump technology. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Refra introduced Galaxy R290 chillers. Galaxy Solo. Galaxy Solo air-cooled chiller has the cooling capacity of 45 kilowatts to 120 kilowatts and is designed for industrial or commercial buildings with smaller power demand. Such systems are widely used in various factories, supermarkets, and office buildings. Galaxy Solo chiller is made with one circuit to service the end user. Galaxy Twin. Galaxy Twin air-cooled chiller has the cooling capacity of 77 kilowatts to 232 kilowatts and is designed for industrial or commercial buildings with small to medium power demand. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Sanhua at China Refrigeration 2024. The 34th China Refrigeration Exhibition will be held from April 8 to 10. This is a major event in the refrigeration industry and Sanhua's presence is guaranteed. Sanhua is proud to introduce new stainless steel products designed to significantly reduce life-cycle carbon emissions compared to traditional brass valves. The company will present highly efficient heat transfer technology, the latest innovations in the field of MCHE and BPHE, brazed plate heat exchangers. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Tower Cold Chain launches live tracking and monitoring. Tower Cold Chain has unveiled an innovative live tracking feature in collaboration with L-Pro, a global leader in monitoring solutions for pharmaceutical and life science industries. This partnership enhances Tower's advanced passive temperature-controlled containers, offering customers near real-time insights into their shipments throughout the transit process when renting a KT Evolution solution. The live tracking option, available for Tower's parcel-sized KT Evolution range in 26-liter and 57-liter sizes, delivers comprehensive monitoring of shock, tilt, altitude, location, and internal/external temperatures. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.